Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 gaming laptop, and before you make a choice on your next gaming machine, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research to bring you everything you need to know, and as always you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked because you want to know if the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 is worth your investment. We'll cover price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9's standout feature is its exceptional value proposition in the mid-range gaming laptop market. Powered by the latest 13th generation Intel i5 13450HX processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, reaching up to 4.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, this machine delivers outstanding performance that rivals more expensive competitors. The 20 MB Intel Smart Cache ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast response times during intense gaming sessions. What truly sets this laptop apart is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card with 6GB GDDR6 memory. This GPU enables ray tracing and DLSS 3 technology, providing remarkable visual fidelity in modern AAA titles. Gamers and content creators will appreciate the ability to run demanding games at high settings while maintaining stable frame rates. The 15.6-inch FHD display with 144Hz refresh rate and G-Sync technology creates an immersive gaming experience with buttery smooth motion and zero screen tearing. The display specifications are particularly impressive for this price range. With 1920x1080 resolution, IPS panel technology, 300 nits brightness, and 100% sRGB color coverage, you're getting professional-grade color accuracy. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or enjoying vibrant game worlds, the anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing even in bright environments. Memory and storage have been thoughtfully upgraded in this configuration. The 12GB DDR5 SD-RAM provides ample headroom for modern games and productivity applications, while the 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD delivers blazing fast load times. The seal being opened for upgrades means you're getting enhanced specifications right out of the box, saving you the hassle and potential warranty concerns of doing it yourself. Connectivity options are comprehensive and future-proof. The laptop features Wi-Fi 6/802.11ax for exceptional wireless performance and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless peripheral connections. The port selection is outstanding with one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C supporting power delivery, DisplayPort and 10Gbps data transfer, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 for 4K external displays, RJ45 Ethernet, and a combination headphone/plus microphone jack. The full-size backlit keyboard with numpad enhances productivity and gaming comfort during extended sessions. Additionally, the 720p HD camera with e-shutter provides decent video quality for streaming or video calls. The included 170W AC adapter ensures the system receives adequate power for peak performance, and the bonus 32GB USB drive adds extra value to the package. However, one notable downside some users may find concerning is the battery life. With a 60Wh 4-cell lithium-ion battery providing up to 6 hours of use, this isn't a laptop for all-day unplugged gaming or work sessions. Mobile users who frequently work away from power outlets might need to carry the charger regularly. Additionally, at 5.25 pounds, it's not the lightest option for frequent travelers. The Luna Gray finish gives the laptop a professional appearance that works well in both gaming setups and office environments. Measuring 14.17 inches x 10.19 inches x 0.94, it strikes a balance between portability and performance, fitting comfortably in most laptop bags while housing powerful components. You got it. So that's it for the best mid-range gaming laptop on the market for this year. Like, comment if you are gonna buy it or your impressions, and subscribe for more tech reviews.